Today we look at the space element, the bhuta of Akasha. Let's start with prayer as usual. Come to the here and now, park any other preoccupations and come to this moment, how the body and breath is feeling at this point. Let us just become aware and conscious. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Saha Viryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu Ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Stay connected to your breath. Watch as the inhalation is happening and allowing the breath to go in, and watch as the exhalation is happening and allowing the breath to go out. The natural resting rhythm of the breath, and watch as the breath is shifting the body, making movements possible. Just watch all this happening naturally. See if you can just simply be with it without any regulation. Inhaling and watching the breath, and exhaling and watching the breath. One more time, inhaling, watching the breath, and exhaling, watching the breath. So as you do this, watching the natural resting rhythm and how it's moving the body, check what the body wants to do. Get into a comfortable position, be seated or lying down if that is what is required, standing in one place. So any stationary position is preferable to walking or moving about for some time now. I want you to bring both the palms to the abdomen. So let's first start with focusing on the exhalation, as always, making it longer than the inhalation. You can use any exhalation that you're using in your personal practice, ujjayi or any sound, to activate and lengthen the exhalation. So I'm going to chant Om, and as I chant Om, the exhalation will happen and it will get released. Inhale, exhale from the abdomen. Om. Allow for the exhalation to subside fully before you take the next inhalation. See that the shoulders and elbows are relaxed and fully resting in place. Inhale again. Exhale from the abdomen. Om. Allow for the exhalation to subside. Inhale. Om. Once the exhalation is fully completed and settled, take a normal breath. Allow one palm to rest at the abdomen and take the other palm, whichever hand you're using, right or left, does not matter, to the base of your throat, where there is a hollow just above the bones here. Look at me if you need. Okay. But just place it gently over there, allowing your palm to rest on your torso. You're not keeping the wrist up suspended in the air like that. Please rest it and gently let the fingers be placed there very gently. As you inhale and exhale the natural resting rhythm, just feel these two parts now, the throat area and the abdomen. Just as you breathe in, allow for your attention to go to the throat and abdomen, and as you breathe out, again allow for your attention to go to the throat and abdomen. Today we look at the space element, the bhuta of Akasha, accessing that, tuning into the power of Akasha, the strength of Akasha and its gunas, its qualities in us. It is the same Akasha and its essence that is outside and inside. So we will try and access this with our breath and body. The third component, of course, is attention. Because I am bringing my attention and holding this idea, thought of Akasha in me. So here we are focusing completely in this area in the throat for the Akasha element. What I want you to do is inhale through the mouth, sucking in air. So just keep the tongue right there in between the lips, but just a little behind. And my tongue is just there, okay? And making the mouth into an O shape, and you're sucking in air through the mouth. We are doing a variation of Shitali. Shitali inhalation is when you roll your tongue from the sides, making it like a straw and inhaling. If you're able to do that, great, please do that. Else, just keep your mouth into an O and keep the tongue there just behind the lips, so that the air, when you suck in, it touches the tongue and the surface of the tongue and it goes in. Okay? So as you're inhaling, you're going to raise the chin up as you suck in air through the mouth. And as you do the Om exhalation or humming exhalation, we are going to bring the chin down. So only remember here, only lower the chin down. Please don't drop the neck. Let's try that. Shitali or Shitkari, inhale. Close the mouth up there. Nicely tuck in the chin. Let's do this 2 more times. Shitali, inhale. Allow the exhalation to fully complete. Inhale. After you finish the exhalation fully, relax the arms. Continue to keep your attention here at the throat and at the abdomen, because every exhalation is starting at the abdomen. Continuing to keep your attention here at space, at Akasha element, keeping that thought. What I want you to do is raise your arms as you inhale along with your chin, okay, like that. However is comfortable. Either you want to join the palms, you want to interlock and stretch, you just want to keep the arms open, whichever works for you. The idea is to really open out like that with the Shitali inhale. Bring the palms to the back of your head on the exhale as the chin comes down. Then we will relax. Just bring the arms down on the relaxing normal breath. Then do it 1 more time. Let's do this. Same Shitali inhale and humming exhalation. Shitali inhale, raising your arms and the chin. Relax the arms after the exhalation is complete. You will feel your shoulders nicely opening up, the shoulder blades at the back coming closer to each other. Check whether that's happening. 2 more times. Shitali or Shitkari, inhale. Complete the exhalation fully. Let it finish, let it subside. Bring the arms down as it subsides. 1 last time. Shitali or Shitkari, inhale. Let the exhalation subside fully as you bring your arms down. Keep your eyes closed and within yourself as you allow the breath to come back to its natural resting rhythm. But stay with Akasha. and sense into Akasha in you, space, all pervading space. It is space that holds everything else. If there isn't space, there cannot be anything else. So it is almost next to impossible for us not to conceive of space. The moment there is anything else, automatically there is space, because we need Akasha to hold. Even though it feels so ethereal or so subtle, as if it's not there. Right? When I look up at the sky is Akasha, and I say, okay, that whole sky, there's nothing actually over there. And yet, it is what contains everything. So try and see if you can connect to that quality in you. It is the subtlest of all elements that you don't even know it's there. You know it by what it's holding. You know it by looking at all the things that are contained in that space. And so then that space can bring in anything and allow anything to go away from it. So a very base quality of this element is also creativity. So try and see, as you stay with your natural resting rhythm of your breathing, get in touch with the subtle holding quality that holds everything else. What is it in me that holds everything? What is that space in me that can hold the high and the low, the happiness and the sadness, the separation and togetherness, success and failure, black and white and all the shades in between? It is that space which can hold everything. And in that holding, then we can make anything of it, that shape and that space. And that is the creativity. So that space is like that empty canvas, empty stage on which then you can dance, on which then life is lived, in which then you conduct all your life's events and activities. As you go through the day to day, just get in touch with this really subtle element, this space that contains everything else, and begins from there. Everything begins from there. As you are in touch with your natural resting rhythm, get in touch with gratitude for all the elements, for all the bhutas that they have blessed us through these practices,